In today's video, you'll learn about natural allergy treatments you can try at home and discover 3 practical and easy-to-follow recipes to relieve your body or skin from common allergy symptoms. You don't have to let allergies ruin your day and life, because by taking control of your skin allergy treatment and management, you'll empower yourself with knowledge and practical solutions that can impact your health and well-being. I will give you 2 natural remedies to clean your blood of toxins that can create allergies, while helping you get quick relief in your body and skin, and another simple but effective recipe to help relieve your skin of rashes and itching. Blood is crucial for the body because it transports vital nutrients, oxygen, and hormones to your cells while it carries waste products away from the cells. Also, blood free from toxins performs many other roles in the body, such as helping the liver function more efficiently. So to clean the blood from toxins, avoid allergies, and help the body treat them effectively, you can follow 2 excellent tea recipes that contain stinging nettle. This herb is excellent for people with allergies, especially food allergies and hay fever. Additionally, its diuretic properties make the nettle ideal for detoxification and reducing retention and swelling. Nettle also contributes to the detoxification of the liver and bile, thus helping to purify the blood. This natural drink is also excellent for the following health problems: adrenal hormone imbalance, anxiety and depression, inflammation, vaginal itching, burning or discharge, menstrual pain and cramps, headaches, scar tissue, bloating, low cortisol, irregular menstrual cycle, bladder and kidneys infections, intestinal cystitis, ovarian or uterine cancer, rheumatoid arthritis, eczema or psoriasis, autoimmune diseases and disorders, anemia, edema, polycystic ovarian syndrome and more. The first excellent remedy will help you reduce or prevent seasonal or general allergies. It's just nature's pure ingredients working to soothe and heal your body, and to make it you need fresh stinging nettle leaves, or dry herb if you cannot find fresh, good quality honey, lemon, and clean filtered water. Now, let's prepare the first nettle tea for allergy season. Before we start, make sure you're wearing gloves to protect yourself from the stinging sensation. Harvest some fresh stinging nettle leaves from a clean pesticide-free area. Choose the young tender leaves at the top of the plant for the best potency. If you cannot find fresh nettle leaves, you can get dried herbs from an herbal shop or the internet. Boil a pot of clean filtered water. Once it's boiling, carefully add the nettle leaves and wait about 30 seconds. This blanching process will neutralize the stinging hairs and make the leaves safe to handle and consume. Remove the blanched nettle leaves from the pot, and place them in a cup or a glass jar. Pour hot filtered water over the leaves, and steep them for 15 to 20 minutes. This process will create a powerful nettle infusion packed with allergy-fighting compounds. After the infusion has steeped, strain out the nettle leaves and transfer the liquid to a clean cup or jar. Squeeze in the juice from half a lemon. Lemon not only adds a refreshing flavor but also enhances the allergy-fighting benefits. Add a teaspoon of local honey and stir well. Honey is known to have anti-allergenic properties and can also help soothe your throat. Drink a cup of this nettle infusion with lemon and honey in the morning, and another in the evening for the best results during allergy season. Remember, consistency is vital when it comes to natural remedies. You can drink this tea for up to 15 days, take a short break of 15 to 20 days, and if desired, continue the same process again. One of the standout benefits of stinging nettle is its role in promoting blood detoxification. The plant's leaves are rich in chlorophyll, antioxidants, and bioactive compounds that aid in the elimination of toxins from the bloodstream. The diuretic properties of stinging nettle can assist the kidneys in flushing out waste products, which in turn may contribute to improved overall blood circulation and a reduction in the burden of toxins on the body. By supporting the body's natural detoxification processes, stinging nettle may help enhance vitality and reduce the risk of various health issues. Furthermore, stinging nettle can prevent or relieve the following ailments and symptoms: eczema, headaches, blood sugar levels, inflammation, bowel dysfunction, liver, gallbladder and spleen disorders, stomach cramps, ulcers, lung disorders, fatigue and exhaustion, anemia, gout, rheumatism, neuritis and sciatica. To make the second tea, you need 1 teaspoon dry or fresh stinging nettle herb, 1 teaspoon grated ginger, 1 teaspoon chopped fresh mint, and 1 cup of water. Mix all the dry ingredients in a bowl and boil the cup of water to prepare the tea. Put the herb mix into a cup and add the hot water. Let the tea steep for 5 minutes, strain the herbs from it, and drink it as hot as possible, taking care to sip it slowly. You may drink this stinking nettle tea once daily for up to 15 days. If desired, take a break for 15 to 20 days, and you may continue the same process again. Sometimes, you may drink 2 cups daily if more medicinal tea is needed. Also, drinking this tea in the afternoon gives better results because it has more powerful effects. The third recipe for itching skin and rashes contains the essential mallow herb. Any allergy rash or itching can be relieved with the help of a mallow wash. You can get fresh or dry mallow herbs in a topic herb shop or on the internet. Mallow is also excellent for babies with sensitive skin and other conditions involving dry skin, rashes, and severe itching. Lukewarm mallow tea can soothe every kind of skin rash or itching, even in cases of facial allergies. Such allergies can cause burning and continuous itching. Lukewarm mallow tea is especially beneficial for eye washes and compresses, when drying out tear ducts. Mallow tea washing or compresses are also excellent for ulcers, swollen hands and feet, wounds, fractures, and phlebitis. To prepare mallow tea, soak 2 heaping teaspoons of mallow in half a liter of cold water for 12 hours or overnight. This preparation is essential to avoid destroying the mucilage of the plant. The following day, slightly warm the infusion and strain it. Bathe the affected body areas for 20 minutes several times a day, or you may also make compresses to apply to these areas. These 3 natural recipes are excellent for allergies and will help you feel much better. However, as with any herbal remedy, you must consult a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your routine or starting any new treatment. Asking your doctor is essential, especially if you have pre-existing medical conditions, and if there are health issues, pregnancy, or taking any medicines or anticoagulants. Also, always ensure you are not allergic to any ingredients mentioned in these remedies, and if you experience adverse reactions, discontinue use immediately and consult a medical professional. Have you ever tried any of these natural recipes for allergy relief? I'd love to hear your success stories, and remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips for a healthy diet and overall wellness. Stinging nettle and mallow are essential herbs critical for better health, so give them a chance to help you and make you feel better. I wish you to always be well and have a beautiful day.